Hello students, today we are going to see how to install Helm Package Manager for Kubernetes. So we will start how to install that Helm. So actually there are two types of options to install that Helm Package Manager. One is using Chocolately and another one is using Scoop. So the chocolately here I have used a Scoop for installing Helm Package Manager. So we will see how to install this. So first I have set the set execution policy by representing the content over here, and then I have invoked the REST method for installing the scope, and it started initializing and downloading the scope, right? So after that, let's wait until it install. So it started initializing, downloading. So it will take some time to install the entire content of the scope. And using scope, we will install Helm Package Manager. So now the Helm scoop is installed successfully. Now we are going to install Helm using the scoop. So let's see what is the command for installing the scoop, installing the Helm package manager. Scoop install Helm. So it will start downloading the Helm package and then it will start installing it. So once it's installed, you can check whether the Helm package manager is available using Helm help command. So it started initializing and installing. So after installing this Helm, we will see the two methods. So first we will create a public Helm chart from Artifact Hub. Next we will create our own Helm chart and we will see what are the ports which are running in Kubernetes. Actually this Helm package manager is used to make the management of Kubernetes will be managed automatically using this Helm package manager, right? So that is the main use of this Helm package manager. So once this Helm package manager is installed, we will see how to create the public Helm chart using artifact and then how to create a own Helm chart. So it started unzipping the content and Helm is installed successfully, right? So now we will search for hub artifact hub using Helm search hub and search for the public Helm chart. Helm, first we are checking for whether it is installed properly. Helm, yes, it's available. We are having so many number of commands over here, and now we will start searching the artifact hub. So that is Helm search hub. So actually the content is not visible here. Yes, Helm search hub. And it will show what are the public hubs, artifact hubs that are available. So now we are going to search only the WordPress artifact hub, Helm search hub WordPress. Helm search hub WordPress. So it will display what are the publicly available repositories over here, and we are going to represent that WordPress hub. So let us go and check with the browser how this artifact hub of WordPress is represented. So I'm going to the browser and giving WordPress artifact, sorry, artifact hub, https artifact hub slash .io. Right. So it's showing the artifact hub. Here you can just search for WordPress, which is publicly available. So WordPress is available, right? And Bitnami package for WordPress is available. We are going to use that package, right? So coming back to the command prompt, and we will execute the commands for executing this, for adding this to the Kubernetes cluster through Helm Package Manager. So going to the command prompt and type Helm repo add Bitnami https colon slash slash charts.bitnami.com Helm repo add Bitnami https colon slash slash charts.bitnami.com slash bitnami. Right. So this is to install this Bitnami package from WordPress through Kubernetes cluster 2, right? And then we are going to install this, which is named as my release name. The installation name is given as my release. So Helm install my release bitnami slash WordPress, right? So it is showing error because so far I have not started the Kubernetes through the Docker desktop. So let us leave this here and we will create our own custom based Helm chart, and then we will start the Kubernetes through Docker desktop. Then we will do this installation for Bitnami also, right? So so what we are going to do here, we are going to stop here and going for creation of custom based Helm chart. So to do custom based Helm chart, what we are going to do first, we are going to list what are the Helm charts that are available, and we are going to represent the Helm create demo book, and then we are going to create the Helm chart. Okay, now we are going to create a demo book based on Helm chart, which is custom based. So it is creating the demo book. And what we are going to do, we are going to how it will look like directory structure. It will consist of charts and templates, and you can see what are the templates content over that charts. And then we are going to customize the chart templates by and values from the technical documentation which is given in the content of your learning DevOps book, right? So now we are going to install this Helm demo chart, which is the Helm chart for custom based. Helm install demo chart dot slash demo book. So for this, we are creating a custom based YAML file based on the documentation which is available in https colon slash helm dot sh docs slash chart template guide. Using that document, within the document itself this custom chart template is available, so we are going to just use that template. And if you save it as YAML file, automatically the indentation will be highlighted here. The content will be highlighted based on the command. So here I'm saving the file as YAML file, which is config map.yaml. So now if you see the API version kind and metadata has changed the color, and based on that key value pair we are going to provide the content. Name as demo book, demo book hyphen config map, and then the data, my value, hello, hello world, right? So metadata is giving the name of the demo book config, and we are saving that file and closing this content. Save it. Actually, it should be within the templates folder, what we have created just now as demo book, right? So we will go to demo book and then go to templates folder and save this as config map.yaml. Save. So we have saved the file. So once after saving it, we will start installing this demo chart. So for installing demo chart, the command used is helm install demo chart dot slash demo book, right? So the same command is typed over here. Helm install demo chart space dot slash demo book. And then click on enter. So again, it's showing the error because we have not started the Kubernetes within the Docker desktop. So just I will go to Docker desktop and start the Kubernetes services, right? So Docker desktop. So automatically it will start the Kubernetes. No, no need to worry about it. So since we have installed the Kubernetes here, so it will start automatically. Go and check for Kubernetes. So it's starting and it will show running once it started. So let's wait for the running status. So after this, we can install this demo chart, which is the chart created by custom based Helm package manager. And next we will do the same thing for Artifact Hub, that installing that Bitnami WordPress, right? WordPress. So now it's running. So going back to the terminal. So in the terminal, what we are going to do, we are going to execute the same install command. So now can you able to see how it is represented here? The name is full quarrel. So that is what we have represented for this demo book name. right? Helm install full quarrel dot slash demo book. So the name is quarrel, and last deployed is March 24, 2025, and namespace default status deployed and revision 1. So this is how we are doing automatic deployment in Kubernetes using Helm Package Manager. So same thing we will do it for the artifact club, artifact hub. That is what we have represented as Bitnami for WordPress, right? So we have installed this WP demo Bitnami WordPress. So again, this is also installed here, and we will see the name of it, right? So the name is WP demo, and the last deployed is current date, and chart version 24.1.18, app version, everything is represented here, right? So next we can represent what are the ports which are running in kubectl. That is what represented. First we are representing Helm ls, and it will show what are the things that is installed. So full quarrel, which is nothing but custom based Hemchat, and WP demo is represented as from Artifact Hub, how we have installed it, which is a publicly available Helm chart. So next we are going to use kubectl get ports. It will show what are the ports which are running, right? Kubectl get ports, right? It will show what are the ports that are running, right? Full quarrel for demo book and WP demo, which is represented as MariaDB, and WP demo for WordPress. Everything is available. And this example already what we have created and deployed application in Kubernetes manually. And these two are done using Helm Package Manager in Kubernetes cluster, right? So that's all about the content today. So far we know how to create a install a Helm Package Manager, and so that I will just represent here as a Word file. So first point, Helm installation through Scoop, that is done, right? First we have installed Scoop, and then using Scoop we have installed Helm. Next we have done for public artifact hub for WordPress, right? That is public chart, public Helm chart creation. So installation of Helm chart, and this Helm chart is of two types. One is from public, and another one is custom based, right? From artifact hub, and then the next one is creation of custom Helm chart. And how this is creating application in Kubernetes cluster, that also shown, right? By displaying the number of ports in the Kubernetes cluster. So installation of custom health chart in Kubernetes cluster. Okay. So that's all about today's class content. Thank you. If any doubt, kindly reply in the comment section. Thank you.